Hi everyone, my name is Alexander and I'm the creator of Equimake. There are a few things I would like to share with you. Number one, I introduced undo and redo system, and number two, I've launched Equimake on ProductHunt. So first, when you log into Equimake, and if you haven't logged in a while, it will show you a pop-up and it will tell you what's new since your last visit. So here you can see it's a change log and I added undo redo system, and you can scroll down and see it in action. And there are also other posts there. You can always click see what's new and to see a full web page of the what's new. And you can also share your ideas and your feedback on the public roadmap. Now, Product Hunt. I decided to launch Equimake on Product Hunt, and I was surprised with the results. So it got 117 upvotes. It was ranked number 9 globally, and it got 51 comments. So people really started commenting on Equimake, and they started joining it. So the first day, 82 users have joined. Next day, 48 users joined, and they're coming from all of those users came from more than 69 countries. I was very happy with those results. So what I've done, I was seeing what they're building and trying to talk to them and understand their use cases. And yeah, I'm amazed. I'm amazed with the results. And if you know someone who could benefit from Equimake, please just share the platform with them. Now, just want to show you quickly how undo redo system works, and share one more thing with you. So let's go to Welcome Hub here. And I'm going to spawn, I think I'm going to spawn a vehicle. So let's spawn a camper one. So now if I move something, you'll see on the top bar, there will be arrows, and this is undo and redo. So if I move anything, I can undo the previous action and I can redo the action. So same applies for rotation and scaling. So I can undo rotation and scaling, and I can also use shortcuts. So Control Y to redo and Control Z to undo. So that easily I can undo redo, and if I made a mistake, let's say I accidentally moved something, whoops, I can just redo the previous action. Now, also want to show you, I upgraded the plans. So instead of freemium, free and premium, I introduced starter and maker. I kind of like those names, to be honest. And the pricing is going to be $6.99 for maker. So what you get for $6.99 is, of course, everything that's in the free plan, but you'll be able to create unlimited 3D experiences versus 5 3D experiences. You'll be able to upload up to 500 private 3D models versus 20. You'll also get maker and supporter badge on your profile, and you'll get Discord role if you have on Discord, and you will have early access to upcoming features. And also, additionally, you get priority support. Let's say if something is not working, you can just message me, and I will be the first to reply. I also improved the landing page a little more. I added more information, why people should use Equimake. And Equimake was also featured in Build with Cloudflare, by the way, which is also a very big event. I didn't mention it. And yeah, it took me 2 months, but I'm very happy that Cloudflare finally featured my platform, and you can read more here. I added some stats as well, how many users joined, and yeah, here is the post about ranked number 9 on Product Hunt, if you'd like to check it out on the homepage. So that's it for me for this week. I'm planning to work on extension system, as I was saying before, but now I have a working proof of concept, which will be fairly easy to use for newcomers and will be very customizable for advanced users. And I plan to introduce finally the paid plan, so you could support the platform, and you could also get extra benefits that comes with the plan itself. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. If you have any questions, I'm always available through the chat on the bottom right, or on Discord, or by email. And yeah, I'm excited to see what you guys will build, and stay tuned for the updates. Thanks a lot.